let's try Padapodo or sea grapes. Pinili ko to sa Puchu Puchu candy shop in Korea. It was quite expensive, around 2,500 or 3,500 won. Try natin. I got water. Anong amoy yun? Expired na ba to? Hindi ko pala chinek. Oh my god. Parang lumot. Actually, it looks fine. It doesn't look that gross. Let's wait 5 to 7 minutes. Kailangan niya mag-hydrate ata. Okay, lumipas na 5 minutes. Ay. Did it grow? Sana all grower. Ha! Ay, tatapon pala yung tubig. Teka lang guys, hindi ka... Bakit ang ganda niya? Amoy siyang dagat. Alam mo yung kapag lumalangoy ka sa dagat tas nakainom ka ng tubig, yun yung lasa.